KSB News Time 9:05, and our Triple Team traffic leads off with Smiling Mark McKay.
Marcy Press, the toughest ride in Cobb County.
Half a mile, keep right. Follow signs for I-75 south of Atlanta.
Where we had all lanes blocked, 285 eastbound near Northside Powers Ferry in Sandy Springs, but it is jammed up between Smyrna and Sandy Springs. Sunshine doing you no favors this morning either. 75 leftover slowing from Highway 5 past West Bases Ferry Road, cleaning up most of Cherokee County. Still leftover slowing 575 southbound before and after Highway 92. Actually, Fresca 400.
Ride pretty good, headed 400 southbound until you hit Alpharetta, then still 40 minutes from Windward Parkway down into Sandy Springs, and northbound getting a lot more crowded up from Lennox Road and through 285. Northeast Veronica Road.
985 moving well, 316 westbound, a little bit of delay as you leave Sugarloaf Parkway. Earlier trouble at